Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bloodstrike with a controller. First, make sure your controller is ready by checking its battery level. Then, activate its Bluetooth pairing mode, usually by holding one specific button. Next, open Bloodstrike's in-game settings and find the controller options. You should see your controller listed there. Simply select it to establish the connection. This quick setup gets you ready for action in just a few moments. Once connected, familiarize yourself with the default button layout. Your left stick moves your character, and the right stick controls your camera for aiming. The right trigger is for firing, and the left trigger lets you aim down sights for precision shots. Essential actions like jumping, crouching, and reloading are typically mapped to the face buttons, making them easily accessible during intense firefights. Bloodstrike offers extensive customization for controller players. Dive into the settings to fine-tune your aiming sensitivity, which can significantly impact your accuracy. Experiment with various button layouts to discover what feels most natural for you. You can also toggle aim assist on or off, depending on your preference. Furthermore, remapping specific actions to different buttons allows for a truly personalized and comfortable gaming experience. To excel with a controller in Bloodstrike, consistent practice is key. Spend time in training modes to refine your aim and movement. Always use cover to your advantage, reducing your exposure to enemy fire. Effective communication with your squad can turn the tide of any battle, coordinating pushes and defenses. Finally, master advanced movement techniques like sliding and jumping to outmaneuver opponents and gain tactical positions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.